Hi, hello everybody. So it is that time for a Pokemon unboxing. So we're gonna go with Ascending Gyarados. I'm still hoping for that Mega Dreams Dragonite, but we'll see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Alright, so we got all three of these cards. These are so pretty. Look at little Chikorita shaking his little booty. And we got a pin. All right, I have to know, is anybody excited for the 30th anniversary drop that was announced at Target? So I believe it's coming out May 2nd. As I just spill my Pokemon cards. But okay, I collect Trapper Keepers. I don't have a whole lot, but I do have some. So it's like stuff like that I'm really excited for. The clothing I'm not so sure. I don't think I'm gonna buy the clothing for the Pokemon at Target. Can't talk today. I've worked all night and I'm gonna do my Pokemon unboxing and then go to bed. Oh, this is what I need to be doing. Goodbye? Clefable? Yeah, I'm probably butchering these names. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Oh my god. These are adorable. I just think, whenever I see this card, I think about the bat signal. I don't know why. Alright, let's go with these. So yeah, I'm just curious. Is anybody gonna be getting the 30th anniversary stuff when it drops at Target? I know I would say I'm the most excited for the stickers, but I'm also more excited for the Charizard Trapper Keeper. I do see something shiny. Delcatty. Look how cute she is. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Charmander. Oh, the Zangoose. Man, nice. I love this Charizard. I mean, not the Charizard. Ugh. Where is my... I did have the sleeves, right? Oh boy. I actually don't know where I put them. Well, I want to get this one sleeved up too, because I do love that one. I swear in my life I had my sleeves. Somehow I can't find them. Well, I do have them. They're all over my room. They're just not on my desk where I need them. Oh gosh. Oh my god, Pikachu. I wonder it looks like he's looking for some. He's so cute. Dragoneer, Mystery Garden. Oh, Togetic. Oh. Oh my god. All right, we pulled some hits tonight. And I don't have my sleeves. All right. Oh my gosh. All right. Where are my sleeves? This is... All right, I'm getting my sleeves. All right, well, you know what? I'm just going to find them after this because I don't know where they are. I know they're with my Pokemon cards, though, somewhere. It's just crazy. I just got them all out, too. Oh, what can you do? sliding. Togetic. Hey, look, we got Pikachu again. Team Rocket. Rayquaza? Are you kidding me? That is freaking awesome. I don't even know if I even have many Rayquaza cards. So that's freaking cool. Alright, it's gonna bug me. I need my sleeves. We're just gonna take one from the shelves. See, everybody, I got my sleeves. They're just not where they should be. But we are sleeving these cards up because they are VIP and they need that kind of treatment. Okay. A little piece of hair in my hand. This one is freaking cool. I like how he's just standing on his head. But that's Hitmontop for you. You know, I kind of want to open my Charizard EX box. I have 2 of them out there. One I have is for my sister, so I can't touch that. But I do have 2. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow night when I come out of work. Because it's got Phantasmal Flames. And I absolutely love that set. Alrighty. Come on, Ascending Heroes. Show me what you got. I do have another box of Ascending Heroes, which I'm... Do you guys think I should open it? Because I kind of want to. Here's the Mega Signal, Light Ball. Delcatty, Okie dokie. Oh, we got another Rayquaza. You know what? I'm going to sleeve up Rayquaza because I love this card. Well, actually, I do sleeve up everything, all my cards now. I used to just sleeve up the VIP, but I only sleeve up the VIP when I'm doing unboxings, but when I put everything in my binders, I sleeve every card up. So I guess I'm just weird like that. Oh wait, did I show my code card? Not my code cards, your code card. I do not use the code cards. Alright, so I'm going to show you the VIPs. And guess what? We're going to do another unboxing tonight. Oh, I love this card. Wow, look at the color too. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. I freaking love Ascending Heroes. All right, everybody, we're going to do part 2.